Yes, and welcome to Cooking with Diego, Cucinare con Diego. I am Chef Diego, and this is episode 5. And today we are going to be making what we call arancini in Italian, which means little oranges. And basically, what we have a very simple dish. And normally, when you make maybe a risotto, for example, you have some leftovers. Yesterday, my wife made her favorite risotto, which is risotto ai carciofi. Which is artichoke risotto, and we have some leftover, so we take advantage of that and we make arancini, which is basically a fried risotto ball. So as you can see here, we have the basically with an ice cream scooper I took out the leftover risotto. We take it in our hands like this, we form a little ball, okay, and as you form the ball, you put your finger like this, you make a hole, and we have here very good fontina cheese, which melts very nice. You put it inside and then you reshape the risotto ball, very nice like this one, and you continue. We'll do one more just so you see again. Make the hole, put in the cheese, and then you form the ball around the side. And I'm going to now do this for all the remaining 12 balls, and then I'll show you how we put the breading together. And again, you'll make a very simple dish with some leftovers that is buonissimo. Okay, welcome back. It's Chef Diego here in the cucina. As you can see, we completely put the fontina cheese inside the rice balls. I've got 12 rice balls. Let me go over the simple ingredients. Again, you have leftover risotto, a little bit of fontina cheese. You can also use mozzarella, and then we have some breadcrumbs. I prefer to use the panko. It's a little more crispy. 2 eggs, and we're going to beat these eggs now like this. We're just going to make a nice little egg bath for the rice balls. And then we have some flour. The most important thing is we must always season the flour so that we have a little flavor. Also the breadcrumbs, I like to add a little bit just of pepper. If you like a little bit of spice, you can put a little bit of spice, but I just like this. So we have now the breadcrumbs, the eggs, and now we're going to slowly put them into the flour, into the eggs, and into the rice bowl. So let's go ahead and start with this one. We take first of all the rice bowl, we put it now in the flour. Very nice, always shake it off. Then we're going to put it slowly here into the egg bath. And after the egg bath, we are then going to put it in to the breadcrumbs. And we want to make sure that we cover the arancini ball perfectly because it comes out nice and crispy. And at the end, we'll do all 12 of these balls and get them ready for the fryer. Okay? So we will be back shortly when we're finished with all the arancini balls. Thank you. So as you can see, now we have all of the arancini ready to go. Now again, typically the arancini is coming from Sicily, and normally inside you would put some mozzarella, maybe some meat sauce with some peas is the typical arancini. Because this is a different style, we're using the fontina cheese. As you can see also I have added, I like to use butter and extra virgin olive oil. You don't need to use too much olive oil because you need to constantly be turning the arancini. So we're now going to be placing them into the hot oil. Little by little, not too many inside, maybe 4 or 5, just to start. And we're gonna let them get nice golden brown and continuously turning and cook them all. And you can see now they're getting very nice golden brown. And again, you want to do every side. They're looking very nice, very nice. And again, perfect olive oil temperature. And we'll cook it now on this side. Perfetto. And as you can see now, they're getting a nice golden brown. Arancino means orange, as I said, and we get the color of that orange. We're going to take them now out of the oil, and we're going to place them here on just some paper towel to make sure we get any extra of the oil out. We still have about 6 more to go. The most important part, you must always include a little seasoning just as they come out of the oil, just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt, because then we have a little special topping of Parmigiano Reggiano that we will put at the very end. Okay, and welcome back. As you can see here, we have all the beautiful arancini, nice golden brown color. We put a little salt, but the most important part at the end is using the king of the cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano, buonissimo. And we're now going to make a nice shaving on top, like this one, just wonderful. And again, when you will cut into the arancini, the fontina cheese will be melted, it will be delicious. This again is a risotto of carciofi, but you can use any risotto that you make, just make a little bit extra. And these come nicely as appetizer or even as an entry dish, as you wish. But as you can see there, you can never have too much cheese. I love cheese, io amo il formaggio, and so I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. Ecco, there we go, perfetto, buonissimo. And with that, I got my little shirt from my daughter for Christmas, which really speaks to me, because I love Parmigiano Reggiano, so you could never have too much cheese. I would like to say thank you very much for listening, buon appetito, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Che ci fai piangere.